It's cooking time! So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how and what are the ingredients for creamy maja blanca. 2 cups of cornstarch, 2 cups of water, pero kung meron kayong milk, edi mas maigi kung milk, syempre. Ito yung dessert na madaling gawin at mura pa. Kaya ito lagi yung meron sa bahay pag may mga birthday, ganun, may mga party, ganun. So add 4 cups of coconut milk. Ito yung pinakauna kong natutunan na dessert and yung gulaman. Kasi nga hindi magastos at madali pang lutuin, di ba? So add 1 can cream corn, 1 condensed milk, 300 ml, 1 evaporated milk, 375 ml. Mix well and taste it.